The story about a man,
Yeah, is this your vehicle, sir?
Does it look like yours?
Police.
a furious young man. His fury got the wrong side of him.
Darcy!
Police. Step out of the vehicle, sir. Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Once out, wouldn't go back in.
Anything you do say will be given in evidence.
His name is John.
Please, we're grown kids, you should know this. Fam, there's no gifts. 24 hours, we're hustling for this. On the corner, London's fire.
Phantom of Fury coming soon.
Cars is hired.